Ever felt an urge to automate your trading on Pocket Option? Picture this, a bot working tirelessly on your behalf, executing trades round the clock based on strategies you've designed. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, today we're going to turn that dream into a reality. To start this journey, the first stop is signing up for an API account on the Pocket Option website. The API, or Application Programming Interface, is the bridge between your bot and Pocket Option. Once you have your shiny new API account, you'll be handed an API key, a magical code that authenticates your bot's request to Pocket Option. Next, it's time for a little introspection. What's your preferred programming language? Python, JavaScript, Java? The choice is yours. Pick the one you're most comfortable with, because that's the language you'll use to write your bot's code. Now that you have your API key and your chosen language, it's time to dive into the Pocket Option API documentation. Think of this as the dictionary for your bot. It outlines the endpoints available, how to authenticate, and the format of requests and responses. Every good coder knows understanding the API documentation is a critical step towards successful integration. Once you've decoded the API documentation, it's time to get your hands dirty. Roll up your sleeves and start writing the code for your trading bot. This is where you implement your trading strategy using the endpoints outlined in the Pocket Option API. Output. But hang on, don't rush to deploy your bot just yet. It's essential to test your bot in a simulated environment first. This allows you to ensure that your bot behaves as expected without risking real funds. It's a bit like a dress rehearsal before the big show. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. With the testing phase complete and satisfactory results in hand, you can confidently deploy your bot for live trading. But remember, even the best bots aren't perfect. Ensure your bot is set up to handle errors gracefully and has proper risk management measures in place. So there you have it, a concise guide to automating your trades on Pocket Option. Remember, once your bot is live, your work isn't over. Keep a close eye on its performance, adjusting the trading strategy as needed based on market conditions and observed outcomes. But remember, as with all trading strategies, there is no guarantee of success. Use this as a tool to aid your strategies, not as a magic money machine. So have fun coding and happy trading.